How to add shop button on Instagram. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram. Here we go. You will land to the home page. Now head towards the profile page. After you land to your profile page, at the top right corner you can find 3 bars. Click on it. Now head towards the option of settings and privacy. Over here you're gonna find different options. Scroll down. First you have to switch your Instagram account to the professional account. For that, scroll down and head towards the option of account type and tools. Click on the option switch to professional account. Click on continue for all these options. Now here you have to select what category best describes you and then click on the option done. Now here you have to select if you are a creator or business and then click on next. You have to complete these steps and with that you will be good to go. After you switch your account to the professional account, head back to your profile. You will get the option of edit profile. Click on it. Now head towards this option of contact options. You'll see the option of add an action button. Click on it. From this page you can easily add shop to your Instagram account. So you can choose any of the website of your choice. So this was all for this video. This is how you can easily add shop button on Instagram. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.